If you need spoon feeding, we got that with Quick Answers in School Bookkeeping as well. You'll be talking to myself directly. As a matter of fact, Matt is one of our Elite Plus subscribers there. Matt, could you talk a little bit about your experience with regards to Quick Answers and how that's helped you in your business?
Yeah, I mean, it's honestly just nice compared to having to sit there and chat with books, expecting honestly not expecting what kind of answer you're going to get from the rep that you're talking with, because there's been multiple times where I've just gone to different reps and they've told me like an issue Dan helped me with recently at one of my customers for deposits being held. I was constantly getting just answers everywhere and not getting a resolution. So I finally went to Dan and he helped, but it's just nice being able to come in and actually have the area to be able to ask the questions. And I know Dan's just always going to have an answer on how to handle it.